Welcome to our history class. In second lesson of history. Now we will start our third lesson. In last videos we completed second lesson sources of history. In this lesson we completed written sources, material sources and oral sources. Now here start our third lesson. The name of our third lesson is the Harappan civilization. The third lesson name is the Harappan civilization. In this lesson include the 7 points. Harappan civilization, second is housing and town planning, third is seals and pots, fourth is the Great Bath, fifth is life in the Harappan civilization, sixth is the trade, and seventh is reason for decline. In this lesson include 7 points. Show the sites of Harappan civilization on the outline map of India. Student, here show the sites, the Harappan civilization on the outline map. Sites of Harappan civilization. When black dotted, show the sites of Harappan civilization. Then square dotted, modern city. Then red lines is the present international boundary. First point is Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappan in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. This is how this civilization came to know the Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at the Harappan in Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization come to be known as Harappan civilization. This is also known as Indus civilization. Harappan civilization also known as Indus civilization. Excavation were also carried out at the Mohenjo-daro. Excavation were also carried out at the Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa. 650 km to the south Harappa in the Indus Valley. There was striking resemblance between the remains of structure and artifacts found at the two places. Similar remains have been found at Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Daimabad, etc. Here student, there was a striking resemblance between the remains of structure and artifacts found at two places. Similar remains have been found in Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Daimabad, etc. Generally, the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. Generally, same characterization are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. These include town planning roads. Construction of houses, drainage system, seals, pots and toys and burial systems. In these students include the town planning roads, construction of houses, drainage system, seals, pots, toys and burial customs. Can you tell student? Describe the structure of houses in your locality. In your locality, describe the structure of houses. Then do you have flat roofs or tile, sloping roofs? Then our second point is housing and town planning. In lesson our second point is housing and town planning. The houses and the other structure in Harappan civilization were mainly built with the baked bricks. The houses and the other structure in Harappan civilization were mainly built with the baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stone were also used for construction. In some areas, use baked bricks and some areas use unbaked bricks and stone were also used for construction. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses had wells, bathrooms and toilets. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. Houses had rooms built around the central courtyard. The houses had wells, bathrooms and toilets. The houses had wells, bathrooms and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. There was excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. The street had covered drains. The street had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. Here student, housing and town planning in the Harappan civilization. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with the baked bricks. In some places use unbaked bricks also, and stones also used in the Harappan civilization. The streets were broad and laid out in the grid pattern. Streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Houses were built in the rectangular block created by them. Here figure shows Harappan civilization well. The student use break or unbreak bricks and stones in Harappan civilization well. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Here student, grid pattern. Harappan civilization well. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. Can you tell what problems regarding health and hygiene will arise if the drains are not covered? You know student, what problems regarding health and hygiene will arise if drains are not covered? If drains are not covered, what problems you create? Write in your notebook. The towns were divided into two or more sections. Towns divided into two or more sections, and each section had separate fortification. Each section had separate fortification. Try this. Cut a potato into half. Carve out some letter or figure on the cut surfaces using a nail. Dip the surface into ink or color and then press in on piece of paper. Observe what happens. This activity try to in your notebook. Cut a potato into half. Cut a potato into half. Carve out some letters. Carve out some letters. S, V, T, A as you like. Carve out some letters or figures on the cut surface using a nail. With the help of nails on the cut potato, using any shape or any letter as you like, dip the surface into ink. Dip the surface into a potato in the ink or color and then press into the piece of paper. Observe what happens. Student, observe what happens in this activity. Now try on your notebook. Then our third point is seals and pots. The seals of Harappan civilization. This is a diagram of seals. The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped. Seals were mainly square shaped and made from the stone called statite. Here student, the seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from the stone called statite. These seals bear picture of animal. Here you can see the picture of bear. They include picture of real animal like bulls. They also include real picture of animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephant, rhinos, tigers, etc. And also imaginary ones like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen. These seals were used as stamps. These seals were also used as stamps. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation. Earthen pots of various types, in different types of earthen pots and shapes, and have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with pattern and design in black color. Red terracotta and design in black color. Here student, see this picture of earthen pot, red terracotta pots and design with black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people, leaves, etc. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. How they use the earthen pots? The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. Here students, some figures of the earthenware, earthen pots. Here complete our some points of the lesson, the Harappan civilization. First point is Harappan civilization, housing and town planning. Then third point is seals and pots.